Everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about how to fix slow performance in Realme Narzo 50A and how you can fix this up. We can use the same steps in almost all variants of Realme. That's going to help you out also. So let's dive into it. So the first thing, you have to check if the internet connection is operating very slowly, and the same is the reason you're experiencing the issue. So most probably in some cases, if you're connected on the Wi-Fi, so right now it is connected on the Wi-Fi. So also you will be connected to the data, right? So when you're having these kind of issues, when the internet is little slow, you will be definitely feeling this awkward situation. So you have to check if that is the situation which is happening right now, or if it is no, then we'll move to the next one. So next one is all about the type and kind of app you install on Realme Narzo 50A can largely affect the performance of the same. As you can see, I haven't installed much app, so there are some default apps right now, as well as I have installed few. And when you should be having these kind of habits, because some people install a lot of apps which they don't often use it very properly. They keep it always over there. So I request in such a cases you just have to remove all those things, and you have to make sure that you're having enough space. For example, as you can see on the file manager, should be having enough space. And also you can go over here in the settings and you can also make sure. So you should be having not much apps, because that definitely will be draining out of the performance. So you just have to make sure that part also. And also sometimes the blocked app are the reason you to have the face issue. So you just have to check them and you have to remove them. As I said earlier, some apps which is being downloaded from the third-party applications or websites will be automatically just blocked. So they're definitely having the issue, and they'll be definitely having the malwares which is causing the performance issue. So you have to make sure of that. When the installed application in your device is having problem associated with them, the performance often becomes slow. So what you have to do is you just have to, for example, if you imagine the Amazon, you have installed, and after the Amazon, if it's having any kind of bugs, then definitely after installing the Amazon, for example, you will be having the performance issue on your mobile phone. So you have to make sure, if you felt so, you just have to uninstall this. You can go for uninstall, and once uninstall is done, you have to reinstall it back. That is what you have to do. Okay, moving on, one of the performance related common problem which I have not seen in Realme Narzo but in all the Realme devices is nothing but virus infection in the same. As I said earlier, for any kind of downloads you can use the Play Store. So okay, you should not be using any kind of third-party applications or third-party websites which will be definitely having the malware for 100% sure. So that can drain the performance in a very long way, so that you have to be aware of it. And also there are some chances. For example, I have to say the phone is active in the safe mode, which is also limit the performance and operations, which I have told for the camera quality issues as well as the Wi-Fi issues. You have to make sure that part too. And also the speed of all the operations can become slow of all sudden when an application installed by which it is not supported. That is said, for example, if some app will not be supported here, so when you install such kind of apps, as I said earlier, if you're downloading from something, whatever you download over here on the Play Store, that used to get supported. Even if so, it will be showing you over there. But even if you download from any third-party websites or applications, you'll not be getting any kind of notifications, but you'll be installing it, and after that you'll be having the trouble, right? So it is very important. And in case you turn it off some phone features or imposed by any kind of, I have to say on the same, and it can be the reason to this problem. And also you have to make sure, in some cases, running the charging pattern of your device affects its performance. For example, I have shown it in the same way when the poor battery issue, I have told you the same. You have to make sure of your battery all the time. As you can see, the battery is now good, it is 75%. But some people have a tendency, they enable the battery, not enabling battery, they always keep either to connect it to the Wi-Fi or cellular data, and also they charge in the same while it is both the things are on. Either Wi-Fi or cellular data will be on, at the same time they will be charging the phone. So what happens is, the battery will be having some issues. I suggest you guys, you can use the battery, you can turn on cellular data for your respective purpose, as well as the Wi-Fi you can connect it up whenever you need it. Otherwise you can just turn it off, because it will be draining your battery for sure. When the battery is completely drained out, then definitely you will be having these kind of issues. Okay, that is very important. Make sure the RAM of your device is not suffering from any kind of fault. That comes to the hardware, but you have to check, right? Running a lot of applications, as I said earlier, is also an issue. The problem can be solved by disabling the phone bloatware in cases you have the complex need for these kind of applications, and also perform a very hard reset, and also will be sometimes may solve the problem. And also suggest in the last, you can also go for a restart over here. You can press and hold over here, and you can go for a force restart and see whether the issue is solved or not. Even after trying all these steps, you're still facing the slow performance on your Realme Narzo or any Realme versions, then definitely you have to book an appointment with an expert. You just have to talk to them, and they will be definitely helping out, because sometimes the hardware issues can even cause the issue. So this is what you have to do when you're having slow performance issue, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.